everyone, how's it going? So, I got some good news and some bad news. Alright, let's start with the bad news. Maybe some of you already noticed it in my Far Cry 3 Outpost Takeover series. Number 17 has no sound. Someone told me in the comments that the sound was gone. Who was it? Sparkle Fire Ninja Gaming told me. And thank you for that, by the way. Without you, I wouldn't have noticed it at all. Or unless someone else would have told me. Anyway, so I went and checked all the other videos for Far Cry 3 Outpost Takeover, and from here on out until the last one, number 33, I believe it is. Yeah, number 33. All have no sound. I mean, what the fuck? I don't know what happened, but something happened and it went completely wrong. And I'm just bummed out, you know. I'm like, what the fuck? I finally got my first complete series that I went for, you know, together with Splinter Cell Blacklist, and more to come, by the way. And then this happens. So my question learn to speak. My question to all of you is, what should I do? Should I upload all the other episodes for Far Cry 3 Outpost Takeover even though they don't have sound? Or would you say just quit and continue on with the next thing that I'm going to talk about, the good news? Let me know in the comment section down below. The good news is that I finally can record God damn it, World of Tanks, come on, it was at the tip of my tongue, you know. A little tired, that's probably it. But anyway, I can record World of Tanks again. Yes. So should I replace Far Cry 3 Outpost Takeover with World of Tanks? Or do you say continue uploading Far Cry 3 Outpost Takeover without the sound? It's all up to you. Just please let me know in the comment section down below. By the way, I know it says weekly update. I will make this a weekly update video, just call it 1.5 or whatever, or just number 2 extra edition. I don't know, I'll see how I will call it, but yeah, that was the bad news and good news. So let me know in the comment section down below what you all think I should do, because I can go either way. I don't mind uploading them without sound. It sucks. I more have the feeling like I should quit it. I should just throw them away and just go on with the next thing. But it's all up to you. Just let me know if you want to see all the Far Cry 3 Outpost Takeovers without sound or not. Just let me know, please. So yeah, upcoming is World of Tanks again. I will just continue on where I left off. Only the difference will be no face cam, no commentary. I will put music under it. And also a new Battlefield 3 series, which will be called damn it, how did I call it? I have the picture ready. Oh yeah, Battlefield 3 wins, fails, and what the fuck moments. So basically anything goes, you know, anything that happens, but it should be fun. I hope. For me it's fun, but I hope it will be a fun series for you as well. That's what I'm going for. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you will let me know what to do with Far Cry 3 Outpost Takeover, upload it or not without sound, and I hope to see you all next time. Thanks for watching.